Hey you guys, happy fall. So today is the first day of fall, and yesterday I actually got my certificate of completion for my floral design school that I was taking online. So I thought it'd be really fun to make a cute little dried fall themed arrangement to celebrate all those things and to just celebrate the changing of seasons. I know 2020 has been a crazy year, and I think most of us are ready to move on and say goodbye. So we'll just celebrate the changing of seasons and getting that much closer to the end of this year, and celebrate me completing something really exciting, and just to do a little bit of a fun project. All right, so I have some dried flowers that I've been gathering over the summer. Just a bunch of random little pieces. Some Gomphrena and Status and Dusty Miller. This eucalyptus is from the store, but you know. Some straw flower. One little drumstick flower, some yarrow. And yeah, and then I have this cute little container that we're gonna be using. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I think it was either 40% off or half off with the fall stuff. So that's where I got it if you guys want to get one too. I cannot pass this up. It's so cute. It just looks like a little flower truck. So let's go ahead and get started with this project. Okay, so I decided not to put anything in here, no netting or foam or anything. I'm just gonna try to kind of layer it in and make it all fit. And I'm gonna start with this eucalyptus. I'm gonna have to break the branches off because they're really long. See if they'll cooperate. This is really long. I'm gonna need some, I guess I will need to start with some longer ones because it goes all the way down into there. So let's see. I'll do a couple longer ones first. Other ones should hold a little better. Man, this seeded eucalyptus would look really good for a Christmas theme as well. Just that really dusty, nice green color. Okay, I'm liking that. This Dusty Miller dries really well. It's a little bit shrivelly, but overall it keeps its color really well, and it's still pretty flexible. It's not really breakable like some things. Kind of like spread it out a little bit. Put that other one on this side. Only got 2 of those. I'm gonna break up this Status. Some littler pieces. Get one up here. There. Man, this is so, it has like these really pokey little things on it. Some things are really pokey, you'd be surprised. I poked myself really hard with some Bells of Ireland. I had never used it before, and it was like the one stem we got to come up in the garden. And it just has like these giant thistles on the bottom under each little section of leaves. It's crazy. Okay, let's add some of the good stuff. These are my favorite flowers. I'll be posting another video soon on another project with these straw flowers. Oh my goodness. They are amazing, and I have never seen them before this year, but they're already my favorite. Like, look at that. And you can cut them at different stages and they stay like that. So like that one was cut a lot earlier than this one with the yellow in the middle. But the yellow, like you can see here, this is even different than that one I just put in. And it's like whatever stage you pick it at, it stays. And you can see that one was really young when I cut it. It's crazy. I love this color. So cute. That one in there somewhere. It's amazing how well they keep their color. I still cannot believe it. Those ones look super fluffy. Okay, this is gonna be the last one, and then I'm gonna add some of the Gumfrina. Just wanna stick one in the back here. Perfect. Okay. Let's see if we can maybe get some of these sticking out. A little bit more wild. There we go. Ah, I love that. Just like a little bit of craziness, whimsical touch there. Okay, let's do one. Well, that might be enough. I think I'm liking that, how it is. I don't want to put just one of these in, but let's see. I'm gonna leave it out, save it for something else. Maybe if I had a couple, it would look all right, but I think I like this just how it is. I'm gonna turn it around so I can see this side. All right, let's fix this a little bit. I'm gonna add maybe one more status right there. And I'm gonna do the white straw flower. I think that should be the last thing. Take it right in here. Does not want to tuck right in there. There we go. Okay, I'll turn it around so you guys can see. It looks so cute and crazy. Okay, you guys, so here's how it looks. And I just remembered I had this hanging amaranth, so I'm gonna try to add it just like to the corner right here. We'll get in there. Come on. Please cooperate. There we go. Okay, you guys, so here it is. Look at that! It is so cute. So cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great fall, and maybe you can make something fun just like this and to cheer you up or just, you know, get you excited for the new season. And I will see you guys soon in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so cute. Turn it around so you guys can see the front. Oh, yeah. There it is. Super cute. Full of flowers.